Hello, so I'd like to introduce you today to the Kirameki LED strip lights. They're really easy, I really like them. They're 32.8 feet of RGB dimmable lights. They come with a remote, 24 key infrared remote. Also come with an app for your iPhone and your Android device. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's open it up here. Oh, a very nice box. Comes with an instruction manual to start. At the back there is a quick connection guide, and I think inside there's also information about more advanced features as well if you have other projects you want to do around the house. The next thing that's in the box is the strip lights. So it comes with two strips. They're white, which is very nice, I like, and an anti-static bag as well. In the box at the bottom we have more things. The next thing is your remote receiver, so that is for your 24 key remote. There also is an instruction manual for your apps for your iPhone or for your Android as well too. The next thing is the power adapter. Now this power adapter is UL listed, so safe for your in-house use. And the last thing that is also included in this as well is some extra connectors for DIY projects that you have around the house. So if you have some extra things you want to use some more clips for, they are included in the box. Okay, so let's move on to how to set these up. So let's take your strip, and you'll notice on one end there is a little red dot. So what you're going to do is connect to one of the connectors. Now the connectors each have a little arrow. So you're going to want to connect that arrow up with the red dot, and you put it in, snap it together like that. It's pretty easy. The next thing you want to do is plug in your power adapter. I've done that already. So you put the power adapter connected up and boom, your lights should turn on. So that's as easy as that. Now if you want to change colors and turn them on and off, you need the remote. It's 24 key. You take the tab out first before you want to use it. And then you can use a remote, so you can turn it off, you can turn it back on, you can change the colors. There's lots of different colors: orange, green, pink, whatever you want. So you can use this remote for that. Now if you notice on the connector there are two. So there's one here and there's one here. Now if you want to use the other one, you can either connect another one up and go the other way, or you can connect it up and go in one long strip. If you do that, you're just going to need these extra connectors. And it looks something like that. Okay? Okay, so let's go into how to use your app. So with the app, this button at the top right just turns it on and off. Really easy, just like that. On, off, you can use that. When you want to add your device, it's just the top left here, and you can see I've already added one. But you just add it right here. It's really easy as well. So with the main wheel, this is where the colors change. So you can just scroll around, change the different colors. You can click it and choose whatever color you like. It's dimmable on this little switch right here too. You can make it go up and down. So there's also some preset colors like green here, blue, lots of different colors. So it's really easy to change colors. With style, there's different flashes. So for example, the 7-color strobe flash, green, blue, cross, fade. These ones will just fade in and out. There's fades, there's white gradual change. So there's lots of different ways to use the lights and change colors. You can change the speed, slower or faster. The brightness also lower or higher. With music, this is a really cool feature. The lights will actually beat to the sound of the music, so you can use music from your library. So let me turn on a song like this, and you notice that it will match the sound of the beat. Another one here. So yeah, you can use that. That's a really cool feature. I love that. The mic, basically the mic will pick up any sound and match that sound with the flashing lights or colors. So you can use this at like a party, which is pretty cool. You can snap your fingers, whatever you like to do. Next thing is the schedule. So you can actually schedule this to turn on and off at a scheduled time. So I've got mine set to Tuesday at 10 a.m. You can change it to Thursday and change the time to 7 a.m. Whatever you like to do, you can use it, turn it on and off with a schedule. And if there's anything that you're not sure about, you click the settings button up at the top, and there's a guide. and you can use the guide to help you with whatever you need. There's a guide there to help you as well too. So that's pretty much how you use the app. It's really easy. So next, let's move on to connecting different strips up, and we'll be using these little clips. Okay, so let's open the packet with all the connectors in it. So I'll just bring a few out so you can see what's included. But yeah, there's lots of different things. You have the different clips to connect it up in straight lines. You have the corner connectors as well, which I'll show you how to use in a minute. They have some mounts if you want to mount it to the wall. So these are all in the package that it comes with. To show you how to use it, you can see one that I've made. So you can see how the clips are just used like that. So they open and close just like that. To put one in and out, you just open it, take it out and slip it back in. It's really, really easy. And then slide those closed to close it, just like that. Easy like that. The next thing to use is if you want to make a corner, they look like that. So if you're going to make a corner, you need two of them. And you can see that that just connects up. So you can make a nice corner in your wall or wherever you need it, like that. So that's basically how to use it. They're really, really easy to set up. Well, that's your introduction and how to set up your Kirameki lights. Few other points for you to know is one, you have a 90-day money-back guarantee as well as a 2-year warranty on the product. We know you're going to love these lights. They're great. I love them. And if you have any questions about them, anything at all, please contact us at support@kiramekilights.com. So thank you very much. Enjoy your lights.